So the next sequence is also very similar to the previous one. So first we're going to repeat the E minor pentatonic shape 1 and shape number 2. So shape number 1, and shape number 2. Yeah, so shape number 1, and the sequence will be, and sequence is going to be sorry, I messed up. Sorry. Yeah. So the same sequence is going to be a little bit more challenging on the second shape because we're going to use lots of different fingers. We can use lots of different fingers to make it look like this. So the first sequence in the first shape, sorry, this sequence. On the next shape. I messed up, so I'm going to play one more time. So yeah, it's a little bit challenging in the next shape.